Hey, welcome back to the channel. In the next couple of weeks, we're all heading back to school. So we've got clients and customers that are busy and a lot of things going on. Are you ready to take advantage of more car count for your shop? Typically in the auto repair market, the back to school season gets more people into your shop so that cars are serviced. But are you ready to take advantage of that upswing in business? And the real question is, how are you going to get that car count in your shop? Because let's face it, you're not the only shop in town. So my question is, how are you going to get that car count in your shop? Now really, I'm not trying to be difficult, but I'm trying to use this platform to help other repair shop owners who watch my videos and visit on a regular basis. So how do you get that car count in your shop, knowing that back to school is a great opportunity? Is it advertising? Is it something that you do on your website? Is it something you do on Facebook? Is it something you do on Instagram? Do you create a specific offer for the back to school crowd? Do you create any special discounts for the back to school moms and dads trying to help and do your part in sending everyone back to school? I thought by sharing that on this platform would be a great opportunity to help other shop owners see what you're doing. And of course, you're going to see what other shop owners are doing. So my question to you is, what's the offer? What do you do? And don't just tell me, well, I post something on my Facebook page. Tell me what you post, detail it, and do that in the comments down below. Tell us what you're doing or what you're not doing, or maybe things that you've done that didn't work so well in the past. That way, everyone here will be able to understand what's working and what's not working, and maybe they can borrow it and help their shops get the car count that they're looking for. Look, I promise I read every comment, and I am looking for the best comments so that I can highlight that shop and maybe explore that and share that with other shop owners who watch this channel. So it's really pretty simple. There's no forms to fill out. There's no details, no specifics. Just in the comments below, tell me, hey, we use, is it postcards? Is it direct mail? Is it Facebook advertising, Instagram? Is it pay-per-click ads? I'm just looking for some specifics in how you do it and detail the offer that you're using that gets the customers into your shop. And on top of that, it would be great. I'm not looking to share prices. There's no intention here to price fix or, that you're not charging enough or you're charging too much. It's got nothing to do with that. And if you don't want to share specific prices, share some general things. Like you might tell us that you do your regular oil change service at a 10% discount for back to school. Or on the other hand, you do an oil change service with these additional services added at no charge as your back to school special. So what I'm trying to do is help other shop owners who might struggle with the marketing of their shop and look at what you're doing, what's working, and things that you're prepared to share. Again, I read every comment and I'm looking to help highlight those shops that are doing the best so that we can share and become a platform for other shop owners to work with. And the other thing I want to tell you is there are no wrong answers. Look, what works for you works for you. What doesn't work for you doesn't work for you. This has nothing to do with trying to make anyone look bad or look foolish. This is about being able to take what you're doing and share that and hopefully be able to bundle this together in a way that makes sense for other repair shop owners. Of course, we're going into that busy season. We've got the back to school starting now, early part of September, but don't forget, pretty soon we'll be looking down the scope at Thanksgiving, and then there's always the Black Friday that takes everyone out of the service shop into other areas to spend their money, leaving a lot of shop owners stuck holding the bag, trying to figure out where they're going to get their next service job. And then right after that, we're dealing with the holidays. Would it be a bad idea to go down below here and hit that like button? Thank you. I appreciate that. But on top of that, it notifies YouTube and tells them that they should be pushing this video out to other shop owners just like you. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit subscribe because there's more information coming up that you're going to want to know about so that you get the maximum car count that you deserve going through the holiday season, being sure that you're pulling every dollar you can out of your repair shop. And right now, YouTube says you should watch this video because they know what you've already seen, and we'll get caught up a little bit later. Can't wait to see you soon. Take care.